Good morning, dear students. Today I will discuss about chapter 14, that is the water. Chapter 14. Chapter 14, name of the chapter 14 is the forms of water. Forms of water. As we know that water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. That is the ice, that is the solid form; liquid, that is the water; and gases, that is the steam. So only water is the substance which exists on the earth in three forms, and we know that three forms of water in our daily life. And all the three forms of water are useful. Fill the water in ice tray and keep it in a freezer or a refrigerator and take it out after 2-3 hours. Then you will see that water in the tray it changed into solid ice. And take an ice cube from the ice tray and put it on a kitchen slab. Then you will see that after some time that ice cube it changed into the liquid water. And boil some water in a kettle. What happens when the water boils? You will see that on heating water starts turning into gas, and this gas is called the steam or water vapor. What is the water cycle? The heat of the sun changes some water into water vapor, and the heat of the sun changes the water of ponds, lakes, rivers and seas into the water vapor, and this water vapor rises up in the air, cools and changes into water drops. And these water drops collect together and take the shape of clouds. As more and more water drops collect, the clouds become heavy and big, and now these water drops fall down as rain, and the rainwater again flows back into water bodies such as lakes, rivers, seas, etc. Once again the water gets heated, and this cycle repeats again and again. And the journey of water from water bodies goes on through water vapor into clouds and then back through the rain to the water bodies. This is called the water cycle. Sometimes the rain passes through very cold air and it then changes into the crystals of ice called the hailstones. Sometimes water vapor in cold air changes into the soft flakes of snow which fall to the earth. This is called the snowfall. As you know that water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. So this chapter you will take revision.